Hello, I'm Jagan from Grow with Data. Welcome to the Crack SQL Interview in 50 question series. In this video series, we'll practice 50 SQL questions across various topics. You can use the playlist Crack SQL Interview in 50 questions to follow the videos related to this series. For each video in the series, you can find the related code on my GitHub. Feel free to explore the code and provide any feedback in the comment section. If you want to see the code used in this video, you can go to the YouTube channel Grow with Data. You have the videos. The easier way is go to the playlist. We are talking about crack SQL Interview 50 questions. If you want to see the Tamil version, you can go to Tamil crack SQL Interview 50 questions. So if you go into the playlist, you have all the videos related to that series. And if you go to the description part, there is a GitHub link which take you to the code base. You can see the create statement and all the select statement we talk about in this video. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, you can use this link and join the Grow with Data WhatsApp channel. Great. Now, let's see the data and we can talk about the question in detail. So using this products table, we are going to see the 34th video of the series and we are going to continue with the advanced select and joins topic. Okay. Now, this products table got a product ID, the new price and change date. That means for every product, they have a price and they have a date they change the price. What they're asking us to do is we have to find the price of all the product at specific time or a date they give. For example, you create this table first. So what they're saying is you get the price for all the products on 2024 April 16th, right? So you look for product 1. So it's got changed on 14th, 15th and 16th. So on April 16th, the price of the product is 35. For product 2, the price got changed on 14th. The next price changes on 17th. So on April 14th to 17th, the price is $50. So when they say April 16th, then it's falling under the first record, April 14th. So the price of the product is $50. For product 3, the first change happens on April 18th. So there is no record for April 16th. We don't know the starting date. So the start date or the first record date is above April 16th, right? If it's after the date of we are looking for, then you make the default date as $10. Okay, default as $10. So for record 1, we got $35. For record 2, between 14 and 17 falls the April 16. So we get the 14, which is $50. And record 3, for product 3, there's no record for April 16th interval. So we make it as a default $10. So that is what we are going to do. So how to do that? The basic thing is we have to first find for every product what is the maximum date, what is the last date they change the price before April 16th. If there is a record which change the price before April 16th, you get that price. If there is no record, for example, product 3, if there is no record, then you make the default as $10. Okay, so how to do that? First, you go with select the maximum date for every product. Product ID, maximum of change date, right? Maximum of change date as change date from products table group by product ID. So if I run this, I get for all the products 1, 2 and 3, I get the maximum change date. But we have to find the price for April 16th. So I put where the change date is less than or equal to April 16th. So if that is the case, what is it? So we get only for product 1 and 2. For 3, the first date is April 18th, right? So April 18th. So that record got filtered. So we keep this as a reference table or a CTE table, max change date as the first one. Now, so whatever the product, we have the change date before April 16. We get the price. Okay, that's the first step. So from products table, inner join the max change date on whatever the products available. Product ID equal to p dot product ID and m dot change date equal to, so whatever the maximum date we got before April 16th, right? P dot change date, and then we are going to get p dot product ID and the new price, p dot new price as price. So if I run this, I get for product 1, this is the eligible record, $35. For product 2, this is the eligible record, $50. Product 3, it's not considered because the change date is after April 16th. So how will I consider that? I can say keep this as a second data set, matching products. Okay, we are going to get the products which don't have the record before April 16th. Okay, so select from products P. Now we go the left join of the maximum change price and we run this, and then we put a condition where m dot product ID is null. So if the the CT tables, maximum change data tables product ID is null, that means those products are not available before April 16th, right? So p dot product ID. If I run this, there will be a small gap because we got two ones, 1, 2, and 3, right? So because if you see these two records, it's not matching with April 16th date, and this record is not matching with the maximum date before April 16th, right? April 14th. So this one matches, but this one is not matching. So the unmatched records also showing up, but I want to ignore those because I already got the price for those records. So how will I ignore that? I will say, and the products we are considering, p dot product ID, not in whatever we get from the matching products. Select product ID from match. So whatever we found in the CT table, ignore those and find other products which are not in the list. For that, you get $10 as price. Run this, I'll get record 3 and the default price is going to be 10. Now I'll say union all, you bring me the product ID and price from the matching product CT table, which got the matching records. Now the 3 is from the unmatched one, the default of $10, and 1 and 2 got the matching records, right? So we got that part. So we did in 3 steps. One is for every product, find the maximum change date before the filter condition, April 16th. And then for those products which got the maximum change date, you get the price. And the third part, if the product is not appearing in the matching products, then you get it from the left join where product is null and make it as a default one. To bring all the records, you just union all and get the record. This is kind of good, but if you see the last part, we are duplicating it, right? So we are getting the same matching products here and we are doing a duplicating part here. Let's see if we can fine tune this code. So I am good with the first two, get the maximum change date for every product and then get the price for eligible products. Okay, so I'm good with that. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select from, I get all the products from, not from the eligible products from, but from the whole products table. From that products table, left join matching products, right, as m. So whichever the products matched and we got the price, we match with that product and say m dot product ID equal to p dot product ID equal to is missing, that's why duct product ID, and then we say p dot product ID is a coalesce function. If it exists in the matching products table, then you get the price. If not, get the default one, price, and you run it. You get, if the matching records is having the date as a maximum date, you get that. If not, you just replace with uh, the matching record price. If not, the default $10, and you are duplicating it. To fix the duplicate, say distinct, so you get only the matching records. So for 1 and 2, you get the matching date, it's the maximum date before the threshold date, and for 3 is a default, so get the default date as 10. So the last part is going to be much simpler. Do a left join with the matching and you get the price based on the coalesce function. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.